Say hello to 8.5 Brachiosaurus because Cloud Forest in Gardens by the Bay turned into Jurassic World. Hello, it's Mami Chrissy, and here are the 10 things you need to know before visiting the Jurassic World exhibit. Number 1. The Jurassic World exhibit is located inside Cloud Forest in Gardens by the Bay, and the nearest MRT is Bayfront Station. Number 2. Make sure to book your tickets in advance, and you can book through our Agoda link to get up to 50% discount on your ticket. Don't forget to use our exclusive code CRISSYAGODA for additional discount. Number 3. Take note that kids under 3 years old can enter free and strollers are allowed inside the attraction. Number 4. To avoid crowds, I highly recommend visiting on weekdays kasi sobrang dami talagang tao nung pumunta kami ng weekend. Number 5. There are 13 zones inside the attraction, and make sure to take your time in each zone kasi bawal na kayo bumalik kapag nakalagpas na kayo sa isang zone. Number 6. Photo, videos, and tripods are allowed inside. Number 7. Food and drinks are not allowed inside the attraction. Number 8. Do not miss the meet and greet highlights of Baby Dinosaur and Park Rangers. Number 9. There's an exclusive merch for Jurassic World souvenir at the end of your journey. And for number 10 is don't forget to save this video and follow us for more Singapore travel tips. Thank you for watching. Bye!